using properties of exponents. All right. If I have the same base, the 3 is the base, the 2 and the 6 are the exponents, and they're being multiplied, it's important that you know they're being multiplied. You add the exponents when it's multiplication. So on this one, I keep the base 3. 2 plus 6 is 8. So that is 3 to the 8th. If they ask you to evaluate that or simplify that, we will say 3 raised to the 8 is 6,561. All right. If you have the same base, and it is a division problem, notated by this division bar here, you're going to subtract the exponents. So that's going to be a -4, keep that in the parentheses. 2 minus 7 is -5. We're not allowed to have a negative exponent, so I will take a 1 and put it over the -4 and make the -5 become a +5. And if I have to simplify that, -4 inside the parentheses is raised to the 5th. So that will be 1 over -1024. Okay. And then this one, if you have a power raised to a power, you will multiply the exponents. So z, and 4 times -3 is -12. No negative exponent allowed no negative allowed in the exponent. So take a 1, put it over the z, and that makes the 12 become a +12. And there's really nothing else you can do to that problem. Okay, 10 is a multiplication problem. I have 4 and a -6, so that means I'm going to add them like the one above. 4 minus 6 is -2. I'm not allowed to have that, so 1 over 10 to the +2. The -2 becomes positive when I move this to the denominator. And 1 over 10 squared is 100. 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. On this one, it's a multiplication problem again. I have 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9, remember, is 0. So x to the 0 is 1. Even though it's a variable, it still becomes just a 1. And here we have a division problem with the same base. So I've got the base, no parenthesis in that. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So I have -5. I have a -5 to the 4th power. So -5 raised to the 4th power is a -625. On this one, it's a division problem, so I have to subtract, so that's going to be y of 6 minus 7. That's y is -1, y raised to the -1. We're not allowed to have that. So take the y, put it in the denominator's place, and make the -1 a +1, and you don't need to write that down. On this one, a power raised to a power, you multiply. So -2 to -1 is +2. 6 squared is 36. And on this one, W, 12 times 5 is 60. Remember, you're raising a power to a power, you multiply W to the 60, and there's nothing else to do to that.